What is risk tolerance? Risk tolerance is how much ups and downs in the value of your investments you can comfortably handle, both financially and emotionally. Some people can watch their portfolio fall sharply and stay calm. Others find it deeply stressful and are tempted to sell. Knowing your own risk tolerance helps you build a portfolio you can actually stick with. It is different from risk capacity, which is how much risk you can afford to take given your circumstances, rather than how much you feel able to bear. Why does it matter? Risk tolerance matters because the best investment plan is one you can live with through thick and thin. A portfolio that looks great on paper is useless if its falls frighten you into selling at the worst moment, locking in losses. Matching your investments to your temperament keeps you invested when it counts most. In that sense, your temperament is as much a part of your plan as your money is. It shapes how much you should hold in riskier assets like shares. Imagine two investors with identical savings. The one who panics at every dip should probably hold more bonds and cash, while the one who stays calm can afford more shares and their higher long-term growth. The right mix depends as much on your nerves as on the numbers. Understanding your risk tolerance also protects you from your own worst instincts. Markets test everyone, and knowing in advance how much you can bear helps you set a plan you will not abandon in a crisis, rather than discovering your true limits only when it is already too late. Here's a simple example. Imagine two investors each put £10,000 into shares, and the market then falls 30%, cutting their holdings to £7,000 on paper. The first investor shrugs, knowing markets have recovered before, and holds on. A few years later, their investment has bounced back and grown. Their high risk tolerance served them well. The second investor cannot bear watching £3,000 vanish, panics, and sells at £7,000, turning a paper loss into a real one. When the market recovers, they are no longer invested to benefit. Their low risk tolerance, combined with too risky a portfolio, cost them dearly. Had the second investor known themselves better, they might have held only £5,000 in shares and £5,000 in bonds. The same 30% fall in shares would have cost them just £1,500 on paper, a loss they could have tolerated calmly. The lesson is to match the portfolio to the person, since self-knowledge is one of an investor's most valuable assets. What else should you know? Risk tolerance is personal and can change over time with your age, wealth, experience, and life circumstances. A pay rise, a windfall, or simply getting used to market swings can raise it, while approaching a big goal like retirement often lowers it. What felt tolerable at 30 may feel very different at 60, so it is worth revisiting now and then, rather than setting it once and forgetting. Be honest with yourself because it is easy to overestimate your tolerance when markets are calm and rising. Many people feel bold in a boom and only discover their true limits in a crash when the losses are real and frightening. Risk tolerance is not about being brave or cautious. Neither is better. It is about knowing yourself well enough to build a plan you can stick to. A slightly lower returning portfolio you hold calmly through a crash will usually beat a higher returning one you abandon in a panic. The right level of risk is simply the one you can actually live with. To sum it all up, risk tolerance is how much investment ups and downs you can comfortably handle, financially and emotionally. It matters because the best plan is one you can stick with through falls as well as rises, rather than one that frightens you into selling at the bottom. It shapes how much you hold in riskier assets like shares, and it is personal, changeable, and easy to overestimate in good times. Knowing your true tolerance and matching your portfolio to it is one of the keys to investing successfully. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description. Don't miss out.